Hey everybody, welcome back to Living Two Paychecks. I may have stolen Oz's intro line because I think he was going to do it.
That's all right. I could use to stand to lose a few things. So, it's Christmas time, and we got merchandise, and we're going to let you guys know how you can support a local business. It really needs it because of the COVID.
Yeah.
So, again, thank you for watching the show. Thanks for sharing this. Even if you can't afford anything, or you don't want to buy anything, or you just don't want to support us because I look like this, we completely understand. We'll put the description down in the doobly-doo, and let's get into it then.
All right.
Let's show them what they've won. Here's our very own Letty. This is our silicone spatula. We've been yelled at that the other thing is a flipper. This is a spatula. It's one of the rubber things. This is a cheater. This is one of the best things we've ever had with one of our catchphrases for where we always start our episodes. Let's get into it. Speaking of spatulas and or flippers, we got our hardcore plastic one. It's got our initials on it here. And how Jack measures how to feed everybody, but the food limit, you can only have food up to here.
Okay, yeah, that line is really close to the hand. It needs to be like down
No,
here.
hell no, I'm a fat guy. It goes up this way. So, and it's got this cool spoon rest thing where it sits like this, where it doesn't sit directly on the counter, which is kind of neat.
I actually kind of enjoy that. Keeps your counter from getting too dirty.
Right? I dig that. All right, now the next one. Now, the highlight of our collection is this spoon with, again, it's got our initials, and Jack's favorite part of the thing. Season this spoon.
Jesus.
Because that's always good luck. You got to get the seasoning all up on here, or Jack will not spin his grape.
Don't do that.
So it's also got this cool spoon rest deal on the back, man, and it's one of those high temp plastic things, whatever. That's pretty awesome. Next we got our quilted fake hand, or what is this, an oven mitt for normal people, but it's a fake hand, and it comes with our own special design to tell you if it's hot, don't use it, but use the fake hand.
A special cast iron.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Between paychecks, that's us. That reminds you of who your best friends are on the YouTubes, and then fire, because that'll remind you to use this because it's hot, and then use the fake hand, and one size fits most. All right, our quilted pot holder. Now this is a pot holder. It's the difference between this and the mitt. Is the mitt fits on your hand.
The same thing, right?
This thing, yeah, but that acts like a glove for some reason, like a fake hand. Now everybody wanted this one. Everybody loved this one, and I've been yelled at by old people at the church because of this one. Because this has our name on it, living between paychecks. It's got this little handle thing. That's pretty cool. But it's also got fire. But it's got my favorite line that I use constantly.
You constantly injure yourself.
Fuck, that's hot. This is great. This is one of my favorite things. That's the thing. And then our last thing that we have, everybody, man, this is our aprons. I absolutely love these. We got these first to sell those. Got a bunch of them out there. I got pictures of people in them. You got to see these. Check these out.
Yeah.
This is our cotton one. It's got 2 pockets. It's got our name on it and our tagline, the cooking videos for the broke as fuck and mediocrely talented. That's us. We figured if we could cook it, anybody else could. So these are outstanding, man. Like I said, 2 pockets, adjustable. They fit most people. They go from big fat guy sizes down
not
to
my size.
Not so much.
I'm kind of getting there, but hey, it still fits me really well.
He's not getting any taller. So check these out. They're all in the thing down the doobly-doo. Be sure to check us out, man. This is holiday stuff. We very much appreciate it. Again, if you want to help us out, especially the local businesses and stuff, links down there. We very much appreciate it. If you can't, just share it on. Appreciate that. Thanks for watching. That's outstanding. Remember, you can always find us on YouTube on Tuesdays and Fridays. You can also find us on social media in between there. If you got any recipe ideas or anything like that, hit us up. You can also find us on Facebook, Patreon, Pinterest. Shout out to our patrons. Thank you very much.
Thank you, patrons. Thank you very much.
We're going to send them a discount code for some of this stuff. So, patrons. So you can find us on all those at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. You can also find us on Instagram at Living Between. And we'll see you next time.
See ya.
Happy holidays and stuff. I'm fat. I want cookies. The hat makes me want cookies.